Slick back.
No, slick back.
That's what I said. Slick back.
No, nigga, I'm a pimp named Slick Back. Pimp named Slick Back. Pimp named
Slick back.
Nigga, are you deaf? I'm a pimp named Slick.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. How are you today? I hope you are feeling well. I'm so glad to greet you. Let me introduce myself. I'm Ratnaningsih. You can call me Miss Nana. Today, I will be teaching you the natural science. But before we study, let's pray together. Class leader, please lead the prayer. Okay, thank you class. Let's begin class now. Beforehand, is there anyone absent today? Okay, it looks like everyone is present. May we all always be in good health. Students, do you remember what we have learned last lesson? Who can tell me? Okay, go ahead. Great! Last week, we learned Term 2, Clean Air for Health, Subterm 1, How the Body Processes Clean Air, Lesson 1 about respiratory organs in animals and their functions. Today, we will continue our material on Learning 2 about the respiratory organs in humans and their functions. So now, please listen to me. Humans breathe to introduce air into the body. Air contains oxygen. Oxygen is needed to get energy from food. That energy drives all the vital life processes in the body. Human respiratory organs consist of the nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and lungs or alveolus. The first is nose. Air enters through the nostril into the nasal cavity. In the nasal cavity, there are short and thick hairs to filter and catch dirt that enters with the air. In addition to being filtered, the incoming air is moisturized by the nasal membrane. The second is the pharynx. The pharynx is the junction between the respiratory tract at the front and the digestive tract at the back. In the respiratory system, the pharynx plays a role in carrying air from the nasal cavity into the trachea. The third is the larynx. The larynx is located at the back of the pharynx. The larynx consists of 9-shaped cartilage structures. The larynx is the respiratory tract that carries air to the trachea. The main function of the larynx is to protect the lower respiratory tract by closing quickly on mechanical stimulation, thus preventing the entry of foreign objects into the airway. The fourth is trachea or windpipe. In the trachea, there is a tissue called cilia that will move and push out incoming dust and bacteria. The fifth is the bronchi. The bronchi are the branching off of the trachea and consist of the left bronchi and the right bronchi. The main function of the bronchi is to be a channel or provide a way for air to enter and access the lungs. In addition, the bronchi also function to moisturize the incoming air and filter out foreign particles that enter with the air. The sixth is the bronchioles. Bronchioles are branching bronchi. The main function of the bronchioles is to help distribute air in the lungs. Air entering the bronchi will be forwarded to the bronchioles, then to the alveolus. The last is alveolus. The alveolus is found in the lungs and is the place for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Alveolus surrounded by blood capillaries. The alveolus is shaped like a grain. For more details, let's take a look at the pictures of human respiratory organs and their descriptions. Okay students, up to here, do you understand? Do you have any question? Okay, nothing. That's our discussion about respiratory organs in humans and their functions. I hope you get new information. I think that's all of our talk today. Thanks for listening to me. And before we end today's learning, let's pray together. Class leader, please lead the prayer. Okay, thank you class. If in the delivery of the material there are wrong words and pronunciation, I apologize. Keep motivated. See you next week. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning class.